I'm taking you behind the scenes as I create a stunning makeup look for a photo shoot. I'll walk you through the entire process from my arrival at the client's home to the final look. Watch the entire video to see the full transformation and final look. Today, I'm working on site at my client's home. Here's Tammy, my lovely client and sister for the day. She's getting ready for a photo shoot for her job as an actress. We had a consultation prior to this and decided this look would be casual to soft glam to fit the role she's auditioning for. Let's start with the base. I'm applying foundation to even out her skin tone. She has great skin, but this foundation helps with just about every look. For photo shoots, we want to be sure to choose products that will help with the detail and the reflection under high-resolution cameras. So keep in mind the coverage level that you're comfortable with. You may also want to consider a camera-ready powder to help with the reflection and the shine. Next, I'm highlighting and contouring to add dimension to sculpture features. For this look, I'm going for soft, so keeping it pretty light on these steps. For the eyes, we're going for a soft but bold, colorful palette. This will really help her eyes pop in the photos. Notice I'm choosing shades that are going to help define her eyes. We're shaping that contour amongst the eyes as well. We're making sure we're putting the darker colors on the outside and above the top of the eye, and also lining the eyelashes, putting the brighter colors right below the brow, and the highlight of the eyes right there, a dab in the middle. That's where it's going to be the lighter color to bring the look directly to the center of the eye. And to finish it off, I'm using a combination of colors to get the perfect match for the eyes, but also complementing the yellow dress she'll be wearing. For the lips, we played with a combination of colors. We first went with a bronze that thought maybe that would be a good look, but decided to add an additional pink layer to make sure we're complementing the eyeshadow as well. So this combination worked well with both picking up the colors from the dress and with matching the eyes, bringing it all together so we don't have one monotone look, but a complex colors combination to make this really stand out. Now for the final touches. A quick check to make sure everything is seamless, and we're done. Here's the big reveal. Tammy loved the look, and I'm so happy with how everything turned out. And that's a wrap. What do you think of the transformation? Let me know below in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more behind the scenes content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you know someone who's preparing for a big event or a photo shoot, share this video with them. They'll love these tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.